Hello everyone, respected sir and all my dear batchmates. My name is Vandna and today I am going to discuss about a very interesting planet to which many of the countries had tried and even trying to reach it. So you can guess which one is this planet? Mars. Mars is the seventh largest planet of the solar system. There are total 8 planets in our solar system and Mars is the seventh largest planet. Its size is about half of the size of the Earth, and Mars is a terrestrial planet. It means that it has rocky surface like Earth. There are four terrestrial planets and four outer planets. So Mars is also called red planet because it contains iron oxide. You have seen many of the images on the Google and you notice that it is quite reddish. We know that sun is in the center of the solar system and all the planets revolve around the sun. This is known as the heliocentric and geocentric theory. This theory is given by the Copernicus. And if we talk about the moons of the Mars, so it has two moons that are Phobos and Deimos. Deimos is the one of the smaller moon of the solar system and name is given after the Roman god of war. Now I am going to speak about the exploration. Exploration means the study. So Mars is the one of important topic of the exploration of the today's era. So many of the countries is trying to send their rovers to study this. NASA has sent total 29 missions. Russia has sent 22 missions. European Union has sent 4 missions. And if we talk about China, India, Japan, these countries has sent only one mission to the Mars. The first ever mission to the Mars is 4 and it was sent by the USA in 1964. And if we talk about a very important rover that was sent by the NASA in 2012, so that is Curiosity rover, and this rover is still operating there and it has sent many of the important and useful information to the earth. Now I am going to tell you all about the India's first ever mission to the Mars, that is Mangalyaan 1 and it is also known as MOM. MOM, that is Mars Orbitary Mission. At that time, our Prime Minister was Dr. Manmohan Singh and the Chairman of ISRO was Dr. K. Radhakrishnan and the Deputy Commissioner was K. Shivan. So Dr. Manmohan Singh has approved the budget for this mission in 2011 or 12 and the budget was 450 crores. So the mission was launched on November 5, 2013 from the Satish Dhawan Space Center that is in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh and orbit has reached in the orbit of the Mars on 24th September 2014. It has taken almost 300 days before entering in the orbit of the Mars and if I talk about Mangalyaan 1, so it is a orbiter, not a rover. It means that it will not land on the space on the surface of the Mars. It will only revolve around the Mars. So now the question should be that is Mangalyaan 1 still active or not? So yes, Mangalyaan 1 is still active. And it will continue its operation there till 2017. Its fuel is going to finish in 2027. If I talk about the observations and the facts that were studied by the rovers and the orbiters. So the first fact is about the atmosphere. So Mars atmosphere is quite thin and its pressure is low. If we talk about the temperature, so the average temperature of the Mars is minus 67 degrees Celsius and its range is minus 125 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. Dust storms. Mars is famous for its frequent dust storms and these last for the months. About the gases, so Mars has mainly carbon dioxide gas, and it is about 96%, and Mars contains 0.13% oxygen and 0.03% water vapors. And about methane gas, so it was detected by the rover that Mars contains the methane gas, and it is the symbol of the microbial life. There is a very famous volcano on the Mars, and it is the largest volcano of our solar system, and it is three times longer than the Mount Everest. So you can imagine how much long it is. In the conclusion, I want to say that Mars is the most explored body of the universe. If we continue this exploring, then we can definitely reveal some secret of the universe. Mars is only the planet where 1% possibility of the life. If in the future there were some changes in the atmosphere of the Mars, and there is decrease in the percentage of the carbon dioxide gas, and the temperature becomes stable, then it may possible in the future that there will be life. If I talk about the other planets like Mercury and other outer planets, so Mercury is very close to the sun, and on this planet there is no life. And the other outer planets that are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, all these are called the gas giants or ice giants, and there is no atmosphere on these planets, so there is no life. So many of the countries of the world are preparing many missions in the future. So that's all. Thank you.